What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So, guys, we have a red candle today, but does it make Tesla bearish? What is the answer to that? We'll talk about that in this video. Is Tesla still bullish? We'll talk about that in this video. And then, so today's video will be a wrap up on the day and this week. And then over the weekend, I'll be talking a lot more about Tesla price action, what possibilities are there going into next week. Some of that you will still get that in this video, but definitely the weekend video will be very important because that will be on the weekly level basis as well, and then a lot more things that we'll be talking about. So, but yes, let's see what the price action is telling us. Shall we in the post market should be worried about, oh, Tesla is going to fall next week, the price action is looking like that, or are we safe over here, at least in the price action, and what is the structure and the levels telling us? So we'll take a look at all of that, guys. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, okay? All right, so what we are seeing, we had Tesla's earnings, and regardless of what the numbers are, forward-looking guidance and Elon Musk magic wand has made Tesla go up. They are doing their whole, still producing cheaper cars, they will do that, and then also FSDs and Robotaxis, those are coming out in, August 8 is the Robotaxi thing that Elon Musk has been saying. Now, speaking of technicals, we wanted to get out and above of $160 to $164. This was the important level that I was saying that we need to get out of this resistance. And we did that. Why this getting out of this resistance was so important? Because this is where the flush zone was and this prior pivot of the resistances, right? We got out of that, and this on a strong volume. So today's red candle does not worry me. Well, for the reasons that we have already changed the structure. All right, we are back in the uptrend structure even from this red day, and I said that even this point, guys, if any pullback comes to $150 or $152, Tesla will still stay in the structure of bullishness. It's just that some weakness or the pullback would be there, but then we definitely want to get out of $160 again. But the thing is that structure is not bearish as long as we are above 152, and most importantly above $160. 152 is the last line of defense, I would say. But 160 and above is already a confirmed bullishness on Tesla. Today's red candle, let's talk about that on daily interval first. Is that worries me? No, guys, we are above 20 days moving average. We are above that structural resistance as well. So no, this is just a little bit of a pullback in my opinion in the price action right now on Tesla. So structure is still to the upside. Now let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about a couple of things there. So what we are dealing with here, and let me actually adjust something on my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video, guys, okay? So, and I'm gonna do one more thing here real quick, and let's do it medium. Okay, so what we are seeing is Tesla rejecting today at around, well, 173, tried to go up a little bit, forming a lower high, right? But is this lower high enough to make it bearish? Well, so the answer to that is not yet. Intraday, yeah, those things can be traded on intraday is a different thing, but on the swing, as long as we are above this 50 hours moving average and also above $164 most importantly, which is $160 to $164. As long as we are above that, we are still bullish. Okay, no, this doesn't make Tesla bearish. It is reacting at one of this trend line as well. You can see that if I draw these pivots, you can see that it is rejecting right now at this pivot trend line, which a little bit correlates already with this. If you see this, there's this channel parallel line going, right? So it's like the median already in the channels up and down, right? So you can see that's where it's rejecting. Now going into next week, as I say, as long as we are above $164, this is still an upside play. If we lose 164 and 160, there is a cool off more expected to 152, and then this will be the last line of defense for bulls. But we shouldn't lose 160. That's very important for us to stay above it if we want to stay more confirmed bullish to the upside. So right now, this is still a pullback for me. And what I want to see is getting above 171 and closing above that by Monday or Tuesday next week. And most importantly, recapturing 175 and above is very important for us on Tesla. So in other words, guys, Tesla still remain in bullish territory for me. On 5 minutes interval, you can see we had this continuous sell-off in the midday, right? Continuous sell-off, which is not promising, not good to look at, right? But as I say, we are still, we are not bearish though. But yeah, these things can be traded like this intraday, right? So intraday you can trade long as well, you can trade short as well based on these day trading levels. Plus, you see the price action around these levels. So, and yeah, guys, you can see we found pivot at one of our support zone as well. So it's all about the price action reading at these areas, right? As I said, we are still bullish though. I gave you the levels, gave you the sentiment. So yeah, I am still on the upside camp on Tesla. And next week, I still think we can recapture the upper range of this channel, which is now would be around 197. And once we start to get over there, guys, 200, I think we have a good chance of bouncing back to 200 days moving average at least. I want to show you weekly interval as well, but more about it I'll talk over the weekend. But so the thing is that, yes, it's a really great candle. We couldn't really make it a full bullish engulfing candle. But we have gotten out of that pivot resistance, which is 160 to 164. So that's still awesome. This is not bad. This is really good on Tesla. Now, more about it, I'll talk much more depth technicals on the weekend. But so far, Tesla is looking great to me. All right, let's go to the QQQ and SPY as well real quick, just high level. So QQQ, a little bit rejecting at 20 days moving average. In depth analysis, I'll do later. But yeah, this is an intraday pivot that has already been working, and you already know if you have seen my videos that these are the levels I was talking about. As if we continue to break above it or stay above it, intraday these are bullish things, and we have been getting that. On the swing side, I would not consider QQQ bullish fully, because rebound until this level of 432. I said that even before here, that even if this rebounds come back there, that's still fine for me. That's just a rebound. If we get above these level of 431 and so and close above it, then that's a different story. All right, I'll talk about it more when I do separate videos on QQ and SPY. And this is SPY, similar thing. I'm not gonna fully make it bullish here, but this is the area you're watching. It's a pivotal point on SPY and QQ as well. But if we lose 507 again, this thing will continue lower. What my hunch is, I'll talk about it in a separate video when I do of QQQ and SPY. Alright guys, well that's it for this video for Tesla. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos guys. Take care, bye.